Hello, my beautiful friends. I'm so glad to see you back. My name is Rhonda. For those that are new, thank you for coming. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, thank you very much for supporting me. I just got through doing a video on the makeup that I have on, but I will have to do that do some editing on that, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that, but I will have that up soon. And it was showing you some new makeup I had just gotten from the Boxy, I think it was the pop-up they did last month, and I was just wanting to show y'all some new things I had. And I've got my Boxycharm. My premium is still missing in the mail somewhere, but I have my base box, and I wanted to share with you what I got in it. And oh, did anybody do anything special today for Father's Day? We pretty much stay in because of the virus going around, because like I've said before, my 8-year-old has a compromised immune system, so I keep him away from everyone.
And that's me.
Yeah, that's my beautiful boy. He's been outside playing.
Yeah, I got a couple videos about me making my own little fort. Oh, a jungle gym and a tarp.
Oh.
If you want to see those videos, I'll have to ask Mom and make sure it's okay, but it'll be on YouTube on Rhonda Shepherd. Rhonda S. anyways.
Okay, go back and do your thing while I finish my video. Okay, I'm going to do this on the regular box, and I got, let's see, I got 49. If anybody wants to know the weight, I can look it up. I didn't think to look it up, but I can do that. Just leave me a comment that you need me to look that up for you. But this is 49, and it is the Oasis. I don't have on here the value of the box, but it does have the things that I have in it. And I got the Fill Up Orange. This is actually the palette I was hoping for. Of course, I didn't see many of the other ones, but I just thought this was really cute. And there's what that looks like. I don't know how pigmented it is. That is just orange there. Look at that. It's just glitter. What, baby? Okay. There's pretty, it's pigmented enough. You probably need to use some primer, but there's that. And it says this has a retail value of $32. Combine your love for strong color and glamorous glitter in the newest eyeshadow palette from the Touch and Soul. Get 9 different shades in matte and glitter textures. Perfect for creating versatile looks, these eyeshadows are non-creasing and glide onto lids smoothly for easy application. My mouth was feeling funny. And long-lasting wear. My jaw where I have that thing has been, my mouth has been feeling funny and kind of like feeling like it's going to lock up on me. And then I got the Pearlies Beauty Perfect Glow BB Cream with the SPF of 30. I'll do a video one day of this too and show y'all how good it is. If you would like to, you can leave a comment below. Leave a comment below about your day or your weekend. I would love to know how it was. We haven't been out and done things since the last of February, 1st of March. I don't go anywhere because I don't dare bring anything back to him. So I'll be glad when we can do something. My van, the alarm system just went on. We haven't been able to figure out why it won't start, so I had to have it towed to the mechanic, and I haven't pushed getting it fixed because we can't go anywhere. But now that things are opening back up, I do want to take him to do some things that we can do where there's not a lot of people around. So hopefully they'll have that fixed here in a day or two. Okay, the Pearlies Complexion Perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. This multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage, sunscreen benefits, and a foundation in a BB cream. This retails for $35, and this is in the color light medium. Let's see, it's got a safety seal, but I'll take it off because I'm going to try it here soon anyway. There's that. Let's see. It actually feels pretty good. It's thicker and better coverage than I expected from it. The BB cream. I've used the, what are they called, the CC creams or something, but I don't think I've ever tried this. That's actually got pretty good coverage. I will try this out here soon. I'll do a video when I do, so I can show you. And then I got the Lily Lashes. I think this was actually my choice. No. Was it? No, the Lily Lashes. This was my choice. The Lily Lashes mascara. I could have used this when I did my eyes, trying to show y'all the all new things I had tried. I could have tried this. I'll try it later. This is the Lily Lashes. Here it is. Triple X mascara. And extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber one that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula, and it retail value of $24. We can open this because I have misplaced my favorite one, which is the It Cosmetics. So we will try this one next time I put on makeup. I will try this, and that is what that one looks like. Wish I had thought about that, and I could have used this on my last video so I could show you how it worked. And then I got this. I have gotten this before, but that's okay because I was actually looking at Macari to get another one of these because mine is almost empty. I don't know that it's doing any good because I don't have lines on my mouth yet, but it's not hurting, so I'm going to keep trying it. This actually has a retail value, they claim, of $200. And I did read the other day, I don't remember which movie star it was, but I actually read one of the movie stars claiming that all the makeup she uses is the QMS brand. This, I mean, $200. I would never pay $200 for this. It would have to really work real miracles. This says it's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance, lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. And I have used this for when I have opened for several months. And I don't have lines. I don't know if I would have lines without it, but I've never been a smoker, so thankfully I don't have those kind of lines. But this is, look at the pretty packaging. Like I said in another video, I actually tried lashes for the first time the other day, and I didn't glue my eyes together. I don't think I used enough glue, or the glue wasn't really good glue or something, because they didn't hold really well. But they did, I mean, they stayed, but you could tell if the wind blew hard, they would blow them off. Look how pretty. I don't like really intense. I think I'm too old for real intense eyelashes, but I just really love the look when people put their makeup on and they put the lashes on, and it's just, it takes it to a whole new level. But I love their the Lily Lashes packaging. So pretty. Even after I use the lashes, I think I will keep these packages, just because they just look cute sitting on a drawer. I mean, on a shelf. It says these are 100% silk lashes created on a lightweight, soft cotton band that'll leave your eyes loving you. Made with a light crisscross pattern and tapered ends for a natural glam look. Those retail for $14.99. So this whole box, I don't have a calculator here, I would tell you how much it ends up being, but very well worth the, was it 25 or whatever. So for a recap, we got this, which was valued at $32. We got this, which was my choice, the Lily Lashes mascara, which is valued at $24. We have the Lily Lashes false lashes for $14.99. We have the QMS lip line corrector that claims to be retailed for $200. I don't know who would pay that for it, but I guess somebody who had money to throw away might pay that for it. And I mean, if it worked miracles, it does last a long time. I'm not empty on mine, and the one I've been using in there, and I use it every night and try to remember every morning, and it seems like at least 7 or 8 months that I've been using it, if not longer. And I still have about that much left in it, so probably at least another month's use, maybe 2. But like I said, I was looking on Mercari to get another one, so I would have it when I ran out, just because I wanted to keep trying it and see if it really does keep working, or if it really does work, because I don't want lip lines. I like this lip color. I really wish my lips were thicker, I mean plumper, but this is a Huda Beauty in, I think it was Medusa, and I really like that color better. That's the first time I've ever worn it, but it's prettier than I expected. Okay, when I get that video, you'll have to watch it. Look at this. I used the Best Life, the Violet Voss Best Life, the #1 that I got from their pop-up. I think it was last month. And look at that glitter. So pretty. I love glitter. And I used the blush. I used several things that I got from the pop-up. So you'll have to watch that when I get it. And I even showed my little Pixie in the video. Pixie! I'll show her again. Pixie, come here. Come here, Pixie, Pixie. Come here, Pixie, Pixie. Pixie, Pixie, come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. I'll show you quick. Look at my Pixie. Yeah, that's my Pixie. Yeah, that's my Pixie. Yeah. This is my Pixie. She's part Chihuahua, part Pomeranian. And I rescued her almost 4 years ago now. Yeah, she was on her way to the animal shelter. And I said, no, I will take her. So that's my Pixie. She is such a sweetie. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. And I really appreciate you supporting me. If you have a channel and would like support back and I haven't found you, leave me a comment below and I will be happy to do that. I like to support all the smaller channels. We have to help each other, and we really should be helping each other, and I do try to help everyone I come across in whatever way, and watch their videos, comment, and I would really love it if you comment below. Tell me how your weekend went. Did you do anything special? Did you get to spend Father's Day with your father or the man in your life or stepfather? Or my dad passed away several years ago, so Pixie, she got my son's shoe. So I didn't get to spend the day with him, and so I would love to hear what you did, and until next time, I will see you guys later. I've got some other videos to do here for you, but thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye.